So let's say that you took advantage of this bunching thing and you normally gave $5,000 a year and you were able to itemize because of some other things. But now because of the standard deduction being $24,000, that $5,000 a year of gifts doesn't allow me to itemize. So let's go back to that term of bunching. And you're saying, all right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give 4 or 5 years worth of gifts at once. And so I'm going to put in, let's just call it $25,000 into my donor advised fund. But I'm not going to dole out that $25,000 in the first year. You're going to take that $25,000, you're going to itemize your tax return, so you're going to get a significant deduction on the contribution to the donor advised fund. And then you're going to direct how does that money get to what charities that are near and dear to you on an annual basis, sending out that $5,000 per year to various charities. Is there a limit to how many charities you can give to? Is there a dollar limit on the amount that can go to any individual charity? What are the restrictions there?
So we try to make it as easy as possible to give. And that's really our mission, is to increase charitable giving. So we have no minimums on grants out to charities. So we want our donors to support their favorite charitable causes, no matter the dollar level. And then there's no maximum amount of grants. So you can have as many as you want. Like I mentioned, those donors that treat it like a charitable checking account, and they do all their giving over the year. And so there's no maximum amount that you can give to.
So do they actually get a checkbook for the donor advised fund so that they're physically writing the checks to the charities? How does the money get to the charities?
Sure. So it's not a checkbook, because the donors receiving that tax receipt went upon the gift to the donor advised fund. So we have to ensure that the client's granting to a 501c3 charity, religious organization, not-for-profit, college, or governmental entity. So we have a donor portal where the donor can go in and select the organizations they want to support, and we send out a check to those organizations, or they can call our donor services department. So it's one of those two ways that we can process those grants.
So essentially, I've put that $25,000 into my donor advised fund. I'm going to have a login that I can get onto my cell phone, I can get onto my iPad, I can get onto my computer, and I can say, all right, I want to give $250 to my church this week, and then you send the money.
That's correct.
That's how it works, and that's that easy. So and I could change my mind, and next week I might find another church I want to go to, and I'll give them $500, right? Because I like the priest or pastor better, right? I don't know, but you got the flexibility is my point.
Absolutely. As long as it falls into one of those 4 categories, we can process those grants for our donors.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And feel free to give us some comments below. If you want to watch this entire episode, you can find the link here on the screen or in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Starting your route to retirement.